Welcome to Trimble's EC-CAD training for sheet metal. In this session, we're going to learn at switching the environment inside AutoCAD MEP from an Imperial to metric. So normally you're drawing along an Imperial, but if you need to use metric, you can switch the environment out and you can switch Part Manager as well to a metric database. To switch the environment in MEP, you're going to come up here to the Load Catalog pull down. And before I switch the environment, I'm going to go to Load Catalog, and you'll see the list of catalogs that I have here listed under my Imperial. I'm just going to cancel that, and now I'm going to go back to the pull down under Load Catalog, and I'm going to go to Switch Environment. In the Switch Environment, you can see I've got the asterisk by the US Imperial, and that's my name, and this is my data for it. If I want to go over here and change that, I'm going to go select UK Metric and then hit OK. Now when you come back to the pull down here under the switch environment, now the asterisk is on the metric. So now when we come back and we go to load catalog, there, you see there's a different set of catalogs based on the metric setup in lieu of the Imperial setup. And that's how you switch the environment inside of EC-CAD.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist, or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.